Yo, internet peeps, ever bought something online because a friend recommended it? Or maybe a cool YouTuber you follow showed it off? That, my friends, is the magic of affiliate marketing in action. It's like this huge online market where anyone can jump in and start earning. See, traditional advertising is so old school now. Affiliate marketing is where it's at. It's all about connecting awesome products with the right people. And the best part, you get paid for it. Whether you're a college student looking for some side cash or someone wanting to be their own boss, affiliate marketing could be your jam. So are you ready to dive into this exciting world? Buckle up, because we're about to break it down. Okay, let's break it down Barney style. Affiliate marketing is basically like being that friend who recommends cool stuff. You find a product you love, tell people about it, and if they buy it using your special link, bam, you get a commission. Think of it as a win-win for everyone. The company gets more sales, the customer gets a cool product, and you, my friend, get paid. It's like being a middleman, but in a good way, a way that makes you money. Now let's say you're really into fitness. You find this awesome protein powder that's helping you crush your fitness goals. You join their affiliate program, share your unique link on your Instagram, and boom, people start buying and you start earning. Easy peasy, right? All right, now that you know the what, let's talk about the how. Getting started with affiliate marketing is like baking a cake. You need the right ingredients and a step-by-step recipe to make it work. First things first, you've got to pick your niche. This is just a fancy way of saying, what are you passionate about? Gaming, makeup, travel. Pick something you love because you'll be creating content around it.
Next up, find affiliate programs that match your niche. Think of it like finding the perfect crew for your mission. Once that's sorted, you gotta build your platform. This could be a website, blog, YouTube channel, or even just your social media.
Section 4. Choosing your battlefield niche selection. Choosing the right niche is super important, guys. It's like choosing your weapon for a battle. You wouldn't bring a knife to a gunfight, right? So, pick a niche that you're genuinely interested in and know something about. Think about it. If you're passionate about something, you'll naturally create better content, and people will be more interested in what you have to say. It's all about being authentic, yo. Do your research, see what's trending, and most importantly, choose something you can stick with. Remember, consistency is key in the affiliate marketing game.
Section 5. Finding your allies, affiliate programs. Once you've got your niche locked down, it's time to find some awesome affiliate programs to join. Think of these programs as your allies in the affiliate marketing battleground. There are tons of affiliate networks out there, like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, and many more. Each network has its own set of merchants and products, so it's all about finding the right fit for your niche. Read reviews, compare commission rates, and choose programs that align with your values and target audience. Remember, you're going to be promoting these products, so make sure you believe in them.
Section 6. Cashing in. Affiliate marketing earnings in the future. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, the big bucks. Earning potential in affiliate marketing is like a video game. The more you level up, the more you earn. It depends on your niche, the effort you put in, and a sprinkle of luck. Some affiliate marketers make a decent side hustle income, while others hit the jackpot and make it their full-time gig. It's all about consistency, creating killer content, and driving traffic to your affiliate links. With the online world booming, affiliate marketing is only going to get bigger and better. So, what are you waiting for? Jump in, learn the ropes, and who knows, you might just become the next affiliate marketing superstar.